friends, what's up? It's your girls Alicia and Elise, and I'm of course Alicia. What's up, y'all? Hope you guys are doing good, especially since this crazy holiday season is finally in motion. So for those of you guys who are looking for a new wig or a new style or even a gift for your bestie, definitely check out this one from YolissaHair.com. I'll link all of their information down below in the description area. But this is Yolissa's 13x4 HD pre-bleached knots, pre-plucked hairline, lace front unit. You guys can see the cap construction on this one. I absolutely love these curls. This is going to give you a really nice body wave look. My unit is in the inch 24 inches and this is 200% density. But what I'm going to do right here is just get this lace cut off so we can have a look at this hairline.
We doing here ain't nobody's business. It's all sweet, but it tastes like cinnamon. But you won't say what's on your mind. Don't gotta say what you think I like. Cause you're what I like, yeah. I could be wasting a day with you and it's fine with me.
For those of you who are looking for a super natural hairline, pre-plucked, knots are bleached, but you also have the freedom of cutting off your own lace to get that custom look, definitely look into this one. I absolutely love the way this unit came directly out of the box. But this cap that I do have is in the size large. So for those of you who have a larger head or even a lot of hair, this is really gonna fit you because you can see it's really big on me. But I am going to be adhering this unit down, so I am taking some of this Eben spray and applying a layer of it along my forehead. I like to blow dry that down and do a few more layers just until it gets really tacky. Y'all, my AC went out, so it is so hot and I am sweating, so this lace might pop off a few times, but y'all, it's perfectly normal. I'm just gonna go ahead and get that lace on and then melt it down. Okay, so I went ahead and did some really quick styling and adjusting of this wig just to make it blend in better. I got those curls to pop some more. Y'all, these curls are going to stay put and they're not going to fall that easy. I really love a nice body wave. But again, y'all, this is 24 inches long. The density is, I believe, 200%. It is very full. The color of this one is very dark. I would say it's in between a black and brown. There's a ton of luster and it's super soft. Y'all, I was looking at the hairline, and in case you guys do want to change up the front, you can add your own baby hairs. I do think it looks good either way. I am taking a little bit of the hair and just trimming it down a bit. Then I'm going to take some mousse just to lay those baby hairs. Again, this is 100% optional. For those of you guys who don't like baby hairs, you definitely don't have to add it. I did just to kind of change it up, give you guys some options. But y'all, think I was liking it before I added the baby hairs. Y'all, again, this is how this hair looks. I do love the fact that it is versatile. It does have 13 by 4 inches of parting space, so you can definitely change up the style of this one. I'm going to place this hair in a side part, and leave a comment down below. Do you prefer it in the middle or the side? Let me know. So this is how the hair looks in a side part. Let me know if you prefer it in the middle or in the side. You do have 13 inches ear to ear and 4 inches back, so you do get an ample amount of parting space with this unit. This unit is pre-styled, so you don't have to worry about curling the hair, and when you wash the hair, you will get a very slight wave to this one. The hair is incredibly soft. It's in like a silky straight texture, and the hairline looks extremely natural. It blends right on in, especially if you plan on gluing your unit down. But again, y'all, this unit does come from YolissaHair.com. Their details will be listed in the description area for you. They do have their holiday sales going on currently right now, so definitely check out this unit. Let me know what you guys thinking about this one. You gonna pick it up or you gonna skip this one? Let me know. But definitely let me know what you think of this one, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys.